The next couple of problems I'll probably do in just one video because they're a little easier, but it says find the zero of f of x. The zero of f of x means when y equals 0, find the x. So remember, f of x is your y. It's the same thing. Just stick 0 where f of x is, and then just solve for the x. It's a two-step equation. The first step is get rid of the 12. It cancels out on the right. 0 minus 12 is a minus 12. And then you're just left with the 6x. And then divide off the 6. 6 over 6 cancels. But what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. That gives you the x. And negative 12 divided by 6 is negative 2. Your answer is negative 2. That is the 0. My negative's a little obnoxious there. There you go. That is the 0. That's when y is 0. Okay, now on this one, you're given a table that shows inputs and outputs. Remember that your inputs are your x's and your outputs are your y's. Okay, they're given for some function y sub 1, which is equal to f of x. So, use the table to answer the following question. What is the x-intercept? What is the x-intercept of the graph of y equals f of x? The x-intercept, let me switch to a green pen. Remember that the x-intercept is when the y is equal to 0. It's the same. The x-intercept is the 0 of the function. So when I look for the y that's 0, it's this one right here. But what I need to see is the x-coordinate, which is the 6. So the answer is the 6.00. That's my answer. You can just say 6, but you know, that's what it looked like in the table. So I went with it. And then number 7, we're going to solve this formula for the specified variable. We want to solve for h, and h is right here. So you got to get rid of everything else. So I see a fraction, so I'm going to start with that. I am going to multiply both sides of the equation by the 3. Now on the left, 3 times v is a 3v. But on the right, this 3 will cancel that 3 completely out, just leaving me with the bh. And now, to get the h by itself, I have to divide off the capital B. And b over b is an invisible 1, h. And then on the left, I simply have to, you know, work on my copying skills. So h ends up equaling a 3v over a capital B. Make sure the v and the b are capitalized and the h is lowercase. You've got to make sure that those remain the same format. Okay, and I'm going to stop here and do another video for this one. So ending on number 7. So that was 5, 6, and 7.